Development of Kaspersky client and other software for broadcasting application. Sometimes equipment get faulty and need repair or replacement. Sometimes we require new equipment for immediate work. In that case, it is good to make our own equipment and customize for our needs. And here comes Kaspersky. What is Kaspersky? Graphics and video playout software. It is developed by Sweden Public Broadcasting (SVT). It has been being used for various broadcasting applications. What hardware are required? To run Kaspersky, NVIDIA graphics card is needed, and for taking output, a decklink card or Bluefish card is needed. We can record also if we don't take output. If we don't need output, we can record the things in Kaspersky itself, and we can stream the output also. Installation. Server is downloaded and unzipped to a folder, and shortcut is made at desktop. Clients are downloaded and installed via setup file. How Kaspersky works? Client software is developed by individual based on need. Client software gives TCP commands to Kaspersky server, and in response to the commands given by client software, Kaspersky server gives a response to clients about the file being played. Server has two windows, command window and second is output window. When we give some command in command window, the output window follows the commands, means Kaspersky response in the output window, and whatever command you give is reflected in the output window. Commands are simple AMC, as known as AMCP commands, and that's our file simple text commands like play 11 file name. Play is the command name. First one is channel, second one is layer, and file name is the file which you want to play. This is simplest form of a command. Flash graphics are made in Adobe Flash Professional. In the software, we make graphics and all the variables are made which are later linked to the client software. So Flash graphics is not Flash Professional is not free. So we can use HTML graphics in Google Web Designer also. The controlling client software is made in VB.NET 2019 community based. It is also free. We can design each and every buttons and all labels and text boxes whichever we need to operate the client. And we link the graphic software variables name in this client to give output on the single template various graphics. Some Kaspersky client applications. Let us see. Playout server. This is a mostly used client. It has playlist facility, clip grid, clip tree view, and output window. We can search the clips in the clip grid, drag and drop to playlist, make a playlist, and start playlist. Recorder and trimmer. It has two windows of recorder, and after recording we can trim in the trimmer software. We can have graphics automation in this Kaspersky. We can make graphics in Flash Professional, put its data and add to rundown, and we can put the start time and duration of particular graphics and make a playlist, and when it is run, all the graphics one by one at given time and duration runs automatically. PowerPoint has been linked to play individual slides to the Kaspersky as image. Scroll, breaking news and clock client is here. We can type in the client, select all or deselect all, or select some and deselect some other. You can save the file for later use also. News are already present in internet as a form of RSS feed. That RSS feed can be taken directly with internet to our client, and that can be triggered as a scroll or breaking news. Vertical scroll as credit caption. I have made some Flash template and HTML template which shows the content has been already embedded in the graphics that has been played for credit caption. The earlier shown credit caption is not having images. It is simple text based. So in this client, image has been made in Photoshop and text also, and that can be used as a image scroller, and that is as used as credit caption. We make a game client in the Kaspersky also. All the relevant information of the two teams can be put here. Score, player in out, set score, player ID, team lineup, yellow card, red goal, etc. can be shown. This is a client for athletics, team lineup and individual scores. After then we can sort the individual scores and make a top 3 or top 4 participants. This is a client for game. This is cricket. We have two data grids of two teams, batting team, bowler team. Individual scores is also maintained here. Ticker can be given, run, wicket, over, and some information. Batting card, bowling card can be given. Content can be watermarked. Here you can see DD exclusive. We can make that DD exclusive position random also with time interval. So much timers we need on the screen, like full time program times, that some 8 o'clock, 3 hours left, countdown timer for particular program. Back in timer for the timer which shows the clock, means before the news we show every day. Score quiz timer, and the file playing online, how much is remaining, and athletics clock is also there. We have used this Kaspersky for many times for election purpose. You can see the combination of lower scroll, breaking news, Lok Sabha, party tally, and Maharashtra party tally also. Kaspersky can be used as subtitle player. You can see here, if some video is there and subtitle is another file, we can play combinedly in Kaspersky. This is same subtitling, but extra facility is there that some green bar will progress as the song progress. We can stream the things in Kaspersky to YouTube, Facebook, Voja streaming, UDP, NDI, SRT, and we can play the stream from somewhere also, like if there is some video in YouTube, in Facebook, in Voja streaming, means stream is coming from somewhere, we can receive that also. This is a special YouTube player which can have a pause, resume button also. Kaspersky plays video from some particular media folder, but this model has been designed to play from anywhere. Like you have a 12 GB file, you cannot copy instantly, so you need to test that file, and you can use that file from anywhere module to play from the external hard disk itself. This is a 4-channel off-air logger. We use off-air logger to record 24/7 the air-casted material. We record and delete intervally, like 180 days or 3 months or 4 months, and it will delete older material automatically. This has been developed to be used as vision mixer. We can use 8 decklink or 16 decklink input card to have various inputs, and we can switch the inputs and take the one output. Means it can act as a vision mixer. It can have a mix, wipe, this effects, and also color, and we can use a keying, chroma keying in that also. This client has been made for can be used as a slow motion. So here has 2 recorder and 2 player. We can do on-screen drawing with this client. You can select the color and brush width, and on-screen drawing can be done. Some other broadcasting applications like DVC and XDCAM controller for digitization. Means we take baseband input from DVC or beta and put that input in XDCAM, and the baseband input, the baseband video can be digitized, means can be made file. A special feature of this client is that it takes cut to cut input. Means if you do it manually, some blank before and some blank after the recording is there, so it avoids that blank. This is a vast folder based activity. Means if you want to do something when some file is copied, they are like auto copy to some other places or auto transfer to some other format, it can do. LTO7 library management software, it is web based software which has been being used for management of LTO7 cartridge files, because LTO7 cartridge can have thousands of files, and so maintenance of those files means which file is where, and there is search facility also. We can search that where is the file, and we have provided preview facility also. What is low resolution files is there, means actual files resides in the LTO7, but you can preview the low res files here. Trimming and transcoding, we need to trim, and not only trim, we need to transcode some other in some other formats, because like YouTube files are of 24 frame or 29 frames. We cannot use that file in our transmission, or that cannot be imported in timeline with some NLE. So we can transcode that thing here. We can have a standard file like DVC Pro 50, XDCAM HD422. So profile is made here. We can break some big file into smaller parts to be used as commercial insertions in between. So this is known as a segmentation client. We can have many files to be transcoded, so this is known as batch transcoder. We can start the transcoding and get all the files transcoded in the morning. This XDS-PD 1000 have internal hard disk, and it can store so much files, and that can be used as video servers. You can play individual files, but this client, if we connect to that XDS-PD 1000, it can act as video server. These were some application made in-house DDK Mumbai. We seek your support for further improvement. Thank you.